Sand play is rich in opportunities for children to learn about the areas of play in the primary school curriculum. It allows for children to be responsive to their interests in roads, mountains, tunnels, cooking, and many other things that they're thinking about. Through children's interests, teachers make intentional connections to the primary school learning areas. They do this through the resources they put in the sand area and also through the conversations they have with children. With mathematics, measuring can be explored through having simple scales for children to consider weight of the sand. It also gives opportunity for children to learn about volume, shape, and quantities. And by having a variety of shapes and sizes of containers, it allows children to play and think about those variables. Sand also provides the opportunity for children to make patterns with shells and sticks and other resources. The beginning of learning about patterning supports further development later and related to many core aspects of mathematics. Teachers can talk to children about positioning. This is about under, over or beside within their play in the sandpit. And it's such an important learning and related to the mathematics of coordinates. And coordinates is very useful later when children start to explore geometry and geography. With science, children's observations during sand play can bring about conversations around movement, force and energy. Things like where does the push and pull come from and how heavy the weight of a container of sand is. Another example is discussing the difference between wet and dry sand, and with wet sand looking at how they can make landforms like rivers and mountains, and discussing these landforms in terms of the words that a geologist might use. For the visual arts, teachers encourage children to make designs and sculptures that actually had meaning to the children themselves in relation to what they're learning about in their world. As teachers work with children in the sandpit, they're encouraging them to share their ideas, to work cooperatively together, and to use creative thinking.